Apple last night held a 2-hour-long WWDC 2023 event. Here are the top 5 picks. Number 1. The Apple Vision Pro is here. Now first and foremost, it's a spatial computer powered by the Apple M2 silicone paired with a brand new R1 chip. You get high-speed IR cameras and LED illuminators to track your eyes, which help in selecting apps as well. The headset will be compatible with a huge chunk of available apps from the go. It will be coming out early next year. Number 2. MacBook Air 15-inch. The rumors were true. Apple has introduced a 15-inch MacBook Air as well. It comes with a 15.3-inch Retina display. And yes, there is a notch as well that houses a 1080p camera. At 11.5mm, it's the world's thinnest 15-inch laptop, and yet it provides up to 18 hours of battery life. Then we have the Mac Studio with M2 Ultra. Fusing two M2 Max chips, the Mac Studio can now hold up to 192GB of unified memory. With the new media engine, you can play back 22 streams of 8K ProRes video. Finally, Mac Pro comes with Apple Silicon. You get the same unified 192GB memory here as well. It can now ingest 24 4K camera feeds and you can encode them in ProRes in real time. You also get 6 open expansion slots now. Then we have iOS 17. You can now make poster for contacts. There are search filters, audio transcription and live stickers as well. There is also an upgrade on AirDrop. There is also a brand new iPadOS 17 and Watch OS10. What product are you most excited about? Comment down below. For more informative content, follow Business Insider India.